Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants. We're here, we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also that bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also in that same area, there is that thumbs up, and that's where you guys come in. If you enjoy the content that I make, and that I make so much of it, please take a second when you arrive to hit that thumbs up. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping True Ones get noticed on this huge YouTube platform. So I'm thanking everyone in advance for the support of the thumbs up. Okay guys, if you haven't watched my, and I don't know which one is going up first, I'm just gonna say it this way. I got all three of my remaining boxes from my paid versions, my two premiums, my Luxe, which has already been uploaded, and my base from my other account. All the paids have come in, and they all came in on the same day. So I decided I would sit down and I would film them all. But if you've been watching my channel since the beginning, we have been uploading, multiple videos every day. So I'm going to do my best to try to get just one video up over the next couple of days. But just keep in mind that there are two premiums that you'll be seeing very shortly, as well as a base. I don't know which you're going to see when, but I just want to make sure that everyone knows that that is what is sitting, waiting for you guys to enjoy. So when the boxes arrived, I had the opportunity to open up everything and then put it in the in Instagram. So if you're not following me there, I always share with you that you must be missing out. It's True Wants with the number 2. And in there, I take pictures and I share with you that a video has uploaded. And then at the end of the day, I usually have a product shot of everything that was in the boxes there. So I'm excited to have the opportunity to share with you a little sneak peek that all the boxes had different items, and that is really a first for me. I think I might have one that is repeated there, but I do have a couple of repeats for me. But that is only because I purchased so much from Ipsy as well as Boxycharm. So I'm a little melancholy because these premiums are disappearing. So what Ipsy is going to be doing is they're taking a lot that is good over and a lot that is good already at Ipsy and keeping it. So we're gonna still have the base box over. It's just is what we know on Ipsy as the Ipsy Plus. So the base box is going to be moving over. They're changing the name from Ipsy Glam Bag Plus to simply be Boxycharm by Ipsy, which we know as our base box over at Boxycharm. But the good part is that you will still get 3 choices like we used to with the Plus, so that's not changing. But for the base box Boxycharm, who are not part of Ipsy, that will be new to you. But what's fantastic is you will also know that Choice Day is always on the 2nd of the month, and you will get to see everything that is going to be in your box. So you will be able to shop the add-on sale right away. Whereas for me with Boxycharm, I used to always want to wait for my boxes to arrive before I shopped in the Mega Drop Shop, because a lot of times they had products, so we wouldn't get FOMO, that were available for us to choose. And if we didn't choose it, then that was a great time to shop, and so on and so forth. So for me, knowing everything that's in the box, I think is absolutely fantastic. I also share those videos with you. I also do a lot of spoilers for Ipsy as well. So you'll be able to get a lot of information from my channel. So I'm hoping that the changes that we're going to see is going to be bringing the Boxycharm base box, which we all fell in love with, which is how Boxycharm started. But the add-ons, which I did crazy this month, they were so good. It was the first time that I maxed out with 10 items with over $100 in my add-ons, which I have never done in all the years that I have been with Ipsy. That's how phenomenal they were. I literally had to take things out of my cart because I maxed out at the 10, which has never happened to me before. So let me go through this premium with you guys. Like I said, some of the items are repeats, but that's because of me. It has nothing to do that this premium and the other premium that I got, I think there's one repeat item in all, which also doesn't normally happen to me. But as we know for the premium, that is going away. What Ipsy has done, and I have signed up for when it first started, is what they're calling the boost. So you'll be able to add a 6th item to your base box for that $15. So that is one that is something that I've used and I've really enjoyed. But I think if you already have the premium and you go over, you'll be getting it for the price that we're used to, which is $40. So you'll be saving a little bit on the boost. And then I think in the summertime, they're going to raise it up for the people that are come over from Boxycharm to be the same as what we're paying over on Ipsy for the boost. That's my understanding. So let me go through this premium so I can share with you everything that I got in here. So the first item that is in this box that's going to stay in here because I took mine out from my stash. This one here is the Larus Beauty Best Dressed Lids Neutral and Bowls. It is a 14 matte and shimmer eyeshadow palette. They're saying whatever the occasion or your mood, there is a shade that is perfect fit in this 14 well palette. It says you will have your pick of mattes and shimmer shadows in neutrals and bold colors. Every shade works beautifully alone and plays well together. It says you use a light shade on your lids and then add the depth to your darker shade in your eyelid crease, or pair with a matte lid in the shimmer under your brow. And then it goes on, you know, about dimension and all of that. So this is a $45 palette, you know, in our $40 premium box. So I'm going to show you up close the shades that are in here. It's actually what I have on my eyes right now, but I've already swatched all this when I initially got it, so I'm not going to re-swatch everything now. I'm just going to show you the colors here and then just give you my feedback and what I did in reference to my eyes. So on this one here is what I use in the corner of my eyes, and I always look for this type of shade in all of my palettes. If not, I use my highlighter shade that I put with a little tiny pencil brush right in the corner, which helps open up my eyes. Then I used the next color over here. I used as the transition, and then I deepened up a little bit with the brown color to give it a little bit more dimension. And then I fell in love with the greens on the bottom here, and that I really had a field day. I played with all the colors that are green down here. Then I also wet my eyeliner brush and I used this shade as my eyeliner in my eyes. And for my pop of color, I did that gorgeous green that is up here as well. So the colors in here, when I initially got it, I was like, ho hum. But this color here ended up being one of my favorites. It is this beautiful color that really, it's one that I really didn't get in a lot of other palettes, and now recently I'm seeing it now in a few palettes, and it seems to be a shade that I'm gravitating towards. So I pretty much used almost every color here, but this is one that if you see it and you go, oh, you know, it's really not exciting, which was my initial when I first got it, but when you play with it, you will be really surprised with how much you will get out of this palette. So this one is an absolute win, but this is going to definitely be going into my gifts for later because, like I said, I already have it, and to have more than one palette with so many palettes that we get, no matter how much I love them, I always love to be able to share them with you guys. So there's also the, if I haven't mentioned it at the beginning, I don't think I did, we have a 5K giveaway going on because we hit the 5,000 subscribers with me only being on YouTube for just 3.5 years. And my channel really was, you know, to get myself used to social media, and also to, you know, the Ulta world was new to me because I'm a Canadian girl that's now living full-time in the USA. And for me, this world of subscription boxes wasn't even on my radar, and it ended up being the growth of this channel because as Ipsy grew and Boxycharm grew, I grew, and I grew here, being able to share so much about the products and the sales because of those two brands alone. So this is going to be a real miss for me, but I have to get over it because, you know, good things are in the future for all of us. We just have to adapt. So that's the first item that is in here. So I will also leave the video if you haven't signed up to be part of that giveaway. It's 5 full boxes of so many goodies, and I did a video showing you everything that's going to be in there, a good overview of everything. You just have to watch that video so you know how to enter. All right. So the next item in here is from Goldfaden MD. And if you are an Ipsy girl, you know that this is one of my favorite brands that I got introduced to from Ipsy. And this is their Detox Hydrating Gel BHA Skin Balancing Moisturizer. And this is Dr. Goldfaden's Daily Hydrating Gel that helps clear your skin and minimize the appearance of future breakouts, revealing a clear and radiant looking complexion. This on its own is a $68 value. And what ended up happening was with this brand, when I had my choices available to me when it was in the Plus, and I think I got introduced to this when it was in the Ultimate, when Ipsy had the Ultimate box, Then I chose for this, in each one of the lines, there was a Goldfaden MD. So I got to really try everything, a lot from this brand, and use it all simultaneously. And it really made a difference in my skin. This is a doctor's brand. So it is really, if you haven't had the opportunity to use it, that is really, really a treat. Another brand that is absolutely fantastic is from Murad. This is the Retinol Youth Renewal Eye Serum. And they're saying prevent and reduce the look of wrinkles all around your eyes, including your lids. When I read that, I knew this is what I'm currently using now. So I'm gonna put this one aside, and I'm gonna, oh yeah, I did. This is the one that is, I'm almost empty on this, and I wanna share with you my thoughts on it. This one here, it says, with this patented technology for a potent yet gentle result, all ages and sensitive skin welcome. It helps minimize the signs of aging that you can see and the ones that you cannot. This provides 24 hours of hydration to reduce dryness. As it instantly brightens, it delivers an instant dose of retinol over time that minimizes irritation, and it prolongs the benefits. This on its own is an $89 value. And this is why I fell in love with the premium. We were getting these higher end brands literally for $10 more a month, where with Ipsy, for that $15, we're only going to be getting one product. So that's where I'm feeling we're going to miss out a little bit on the Boxycharm world of boxes, especially in the premium zone. But this is a product that if you haven't had the opportunity to use it, it is one that I recommend. And especially that it has retinol in here, and it doesn't irritate my eyes at all, and you get to use it on your lids. So this is one that I recommend as well. The next item in here is a huge repeat for me, and this makes me giggle because literally I have given away this bundle so many times on my channel. And even when I did an entire brush box on my last giveaway, on this one I was able to put like home goods with brushes and things all in one. Whoever got that box ended up getting at least 2 containers of this, because I could not believe that I still had more. And now this arrived again. So this is a really great kit. It's just I've gotten it way too many times. So this is from Larus Beauty. This is called the Christine set. And they're saying this set includes a dual fiber cheek brush, a small angled cheek brush, a small concealer brush, and a flat shader brush, and a medium dome blending brush. And of course the Graphite Petite, they're calling it the Rennie cup. This is a $50 Larus Beauty. I enjoy the Larus Beauty brushes. I use them all the time. They're really fantastic. What's also great about these containers is they're flat on both sides, so you can leave them on your counter and you can have 2 good cup holders. And if you're traveling, you can also, this is also good that you can have, you know, your clean brushes here and your dirty brushes here. There's so many things you can use with this, and the container is beautiful and really, really well done. Then these are the brushes that are inside here. Like they mentioned, they are, you have the one here that has the fibers on the top. So these are great for when you're using the cream blushes, which I'm using now. So these are absolutely fantastic because they pick up just a little bit of product, and then you're able to really, you know, sweep it in. Then you got a fantastic size blender brush. You got your concealer, you have another angled brush, and then you have a shader brush. These are absolutely fantastic, like I said, and the actual barrel that is on here is very similar to the, I don't want to take anything out of the plastic because I'm going to be giving these away again. This one here has on the barrel, actually if I take it out I can put it back in. This one here has the barrel that you can see is absolutely beautiful. You can grip onto it really nicely. It also has on it what it's for. It has the names on it and numbers, so you'll know if you end up getting other brushes from this collection, you'll be able to know that this is an RL120 tapered blending brush. So like I said, these are fantastic brushes. I've had the opportunity for so many times to be able to share these, and everyone who has had the opportunity to use the Larus brushes it has been an absolute treat, and these are definitely high-end brushes. The next item that I got in this box is from Glow Recipe. And this is one that I wanted so much, and I ended up getting it, so I'm happy to have a repeat of this. This is the Watermelon Glow Lip Pop. It is in, mine that I got is in Watermelon Pink. And this one here says, this is your favorite do-it-all lip product. Just got a major upgrade. It will exfoliate, hydrate, and deposit the perfect pop of color, with this new and improved lip pop. So this might be different than the one that I've had. So when I go through my stash, I will be able to pull it out and see, but this is what this looks like here. Really, really excited about that. This item here, I should open up and show you what it looks like here. Yeah, this is very similar, but we're gonna have to see what it is. So initially I thought this was a lippy, but it goes on like this. So it is like a balm, but this will leave a little hint of a pink on your lips. And these are fantastic. Like when I go walking, these are the things that I take with me. And I always like to have them in this type of formula because they're easy and they won't melt, and they're easy to just apply without a mirror. So this is one that I'm really, really enjoying as well. So Glow Recipe, this is the lip pop. And they said that this is a new formula, so I'll have to check if my other one that I have says the same. And then the last item in here is one that is completely new to me. And this is from this brand called Larus Beauty. This is the Vital Yellow Fresh Cleanser. And they're saying this is a one-step vitamin C cleanser that helps to brighten your skin while removing debris as well as makeup. It's a jelly-like formula that contains 88% moisturizing essences to keep your skin hydrated. And this is a $32 value. And the site on here says lapalettbeauty.usa, which means this might be a brand that is from another country. And then this is made in Korea. So this is really exciting. I have been enjoying so many Korean products. This is K-Beauty, so I'm excited to have the opportunity to try this one as well. And that's everything that I got in my premium box. Like I said, there's gonna be 2 that are going up. I just don't know which order it's gonna go in, but please share with me in the comments down below how you feel about the premium completely going away. I would love to know if you feel the same as me, or if you are so overloaded with products, it's making it easier that they're closing this box as opposed to you choosing not to get the box anymore. And that's it for this video. So everyone, continue to stay safe and well, and I'll see you all soon again in the next one. Bye for now.